Now there is a question here. The question says, Mutua bought 8 pairs of trousers and 6 shirts at shillings 4,140. Had he bought twice as many shirts and half as many trousers, he would have saved shillings 180. Find the cost of each item. Now, step 1 is to form the simultaneous equations. This is a question that comes from Form 1 and it is a simultaneous equations. So we are supposed to read the question, understand what the question is saying, then form the simultaneous equations. After forming the simultaneous equations, solve the simultaneous equations. So step 1, we are going to form simultaneous equations from this question. So the first part of the question says, Mutua bought 8 pairs of trousers and 6 shirts at shillings 4,140. What we are going to do here, we will say, let the price of one trouser to be shillings T and the price of one shirt to be shillings S. Then now the first equation will be 8 pairs of trousers. It means 8 times T, 8T plus 6 pairs of shirts or 6 shirts. 6 shirts, one shirt is S shillings times 6, we shall get 6S. When you add the prices of the two, you are going to get a total of shillings 4,140. So here we go. That's the first equation. The second equation will be, had he bought twice as many shirts and half as many trousers? In the first part, he bought 8 trousers. So half the trousers means 4T plus twice as many shirts. In the first part, he bought 6 shirts. So twice shirts will be 12 shirts, of which now it will be 12S. Remember, all the equations are expressed in terms of shillings. Now we are going to see their total. We are told that had he bought twice as many shirts and half as many trousers, he would have saved 180. So here, if he saves 180, it means the price now here is reducing from 4,140, is reducing by 180 shillings. And when you calculate that one, you are going to get shillings 3,960 shillings. That is it. 3,960 shillings. That is what Mutua is going to have as a total for 4 trousers and 12 shirts. Now we are going to solve these two equations. Now there are two methods of solving simultaneous equations. We have substitution method, and we have elimination method. Now let me use substitution method. Now with the substitution method, we take one of the equation. For example, the first one is 8t plus 6s is equals to 4,140. So to substitute means now you are going to express one of the item as a subject of the formula. Now we have said now you express one of the item as a subject of the formula. Now here I'm expressing t as a subject of the formula, and this means now t will be 4,140 minus 6s over 8. This is it. Now we call this one equation 3. Then now we come here and substitute the value of t in the second equation. What does the second equation say? 4t plus 12s is equals to shillings 3,960. Now we come here and replace now. 4t plus 12s is equals to 3960. Where there is t, we replace with this value, 4140 minus 6s over 8. Now we replace here. That is 4140 minus 6s over 8 plus 12s is equals to 3960. And remember, it was 40, so it is multiplied by 4. Then now we can simplify here. 4 into 8, 2. Then when we open the bracket, we are going to have now 4140 minus 6s over 2 plus 12s over 1 is equals to 3960 over 1. LCM is 2. So we are going to multiply everything in the brackets by 2. And when we do so, we are going to cancel 2 by 2 or simplify 2 by 2. And we are going to have 4140 minus 6s plus 12s times 2 is equals to 24s, which is equals to 3,960 times 2 is equals to 7,920. Now, we come here and collect like terms. Negative 6s plus 24s will give us 18s. And this 4140 is going to cross the equal sign. And when it crosses the equal sign, we are going to have 7920 minus 4140, which is equals to 3780. So this means 18s is equals to 3780. To get the value of s, we divide both sides by 18. And s is equals to 210. Because now we have the value of s. Go back to equation 3. Equation 3 said t is equals to 4140 minus 6s over 8. This means now, to get the value of t, we are going to substitute s in the value or in the equation which was expressed as a t, the subject of the formula. And remember, t is equals to 4140 minus 6s over 8. So 6s means 6 times 210. Remember, 210 is the value of s we have obtained. So this means t is equals to 4,140 minus 6 times 210. You get it? Okay. Then over 8. And this translates to 4140 minus 1260 over 8. Up to that point, I hope you are together. Now, we come here and substitute the value now. After taking away, we are going to have 2,880 divided by 8. And the value of t is going to be 360. Now, remember, at the beginning we said, let the price of one trouser to be t shillings and the price of one shirt to be s shillings. Since we have obtained the price of one shirt, the price of one shirt is the value of s, which was 210. And the price of one trouser is the value of t, which is 360. Therefore, we say one trouser is equals to 360 shillings and one shirt is equals to 210 shillings. I hope you have understood that one. Always remember to subscribe to my channel.